Hello! Today we'll be giving you an introduction to using DC power. Now you may be asking yourself, what is DC power? Well, DC, or direct current, is powered directly from a power source like a battery or power supply and is a constant current. DC power is a great option when common power outlets are not available, like the ones found in your home or at the track, and a generator is not available. We're basically using a big battery to charge a small battery. Now let's talk about setting up the power for DC power usage. In channel A or channel B in the main screen, press and hold the Enter Settings button to access the system settings page. From here we see a menu with all the parameters for your Imars Dual. For the purpose of this video, we're going to stick to our default settings of 7 volts and 700 watts for maximum input power, and you can see there's a couple of extra settings for your Imars Dual Charger. Once your charger has the settings of your choice, in order to use DC power, you must take a fully charged LiPo pack. In our case, we'll be using a 3S6800 Bashing Pro battery and plug it into the DC power port into the back of the charger. The charger will light up as normal and can now be used as you normally would without the need for a wall outlet or generator. We hope this video was helpful and gets you back on the trail or out of the pits faster. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.